Some 4 million pensioners from the Social Security System Insurance Fund have something good coming to them next month. A 20.75% increase over 2 years in their monthly pensions by way of the agency's multi-year adjustment scheme. The particulars of this multi-year pension upgrade explained in this report from our Rod Lagusad.
Nanay Amelisa undergoes dialysis 3 times a week. Her monthly SSS pension of 4,600 pesos, which comes from her late husband, who was a SSS member, goes to this. But starting next month, it will increase to around 4,830 pesos. Amelisa is just one of the nearly 4 million pensioners who stands to benefit from the multi-year adjustment to their SSS pensions beginning this September. This is in compliance with the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. after his meeting with Finance Secretary Ralph Recto.
Malaking bagay yung increase kasi kagaya ko na dialysis patient, malaking karagdagan yung para sa pambili ko ng gamot.
This is especially helpful since she spends 300 pesos or more per day on various medicines she needs.
Malaking kabawasan ng stress para sa pang-araw-araw gasto sa gamot. Ngayon kasi simula na nag-dialysis ako, hindi na ako nakakapag-trabaho. Kaya sa mga anak ko talaga ako nakadepende.
According to SSS President and CEO Robert Joseph Declaro, of this number, 2.6 million are retirement or disability pensioners, while 1.2 million are survivor pensioners. Declaro said the cutoff from the pension increase next month includes pensioners as of August 31. Those turning pensioners after August 31 will be included next year. Starting this September, the increase in pension will last until September 2027. With a 10% annual increase for retirement and disability pensioners and a 5% annual increase for death or survivor pensioners.
Wala ho kayong gagawin. Kasi automatic ho to dahil ang pension natin is through bank credit. So magandang sorpresa na lang ho na pagtanggap nyo ho ng pension nyo, may increase na po yun. Wala hong tranche to. So isang malaking programa ho to. This is first of its kind na 3-year ang pension reform program.
According to SSS, the pension increase is supported by comprehensive actuarial studies.
I'm pleased to report that it's very healthy. So we have about 25 years of fund life, even with the pension increases. You have to strike a balance between financial viability and stakeholder and I would say benefits to members and stakeholders.
And even with the added amount in pensions, there will be no increase in contributions for SSS members. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.